Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use the InsertKit mobile app. First, you need to download the app. You can simply install the app from Google Play Store like other apps. Once you install the app, open it. When you open it for the first time, you need to log in. Since I previously tested the app, it is already logged in automatically. Let's set it up now. Don't worry, you're just a few taps away. First of all, tap on Setup. You have to give two permissions here. We can see Accessibility Service and Battery Optimization. Let's click the first option. It says Tap to Enable, so let's tap it. And the second option says InsertKit is turned off. Tap on it and then turn it on. Then tap on Allow and back to the settings. If you can't turn it on your phone, you may need to enable Developer Mode. If you don't know how to do that, just search on Google or YouTube. There are plenty of tutorials available. After enabling Developer Mode, go back to the InsertKit app and try enabling it again. Now the second option is called Battery Optimization. Since I already tested the app, so there is no error in my end, but it will show an error here on your phone. You will just tap and allow, and that's it. You can use the app using your default keyboard, and if you want a few more features, you can use its built-in keyboard by enabling it from here. Now let's see how to create a shortcut. If you have used this app on your computer before, then you can see it's almost the same process. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Then type a trigger, for example. I'm writing price. And write your main content here. I'm pasting a demo pricing detail here. Then you can categorize your triggers to organize them if you create a lot of shortcuts. Then tap Save. And here you go, the shortcut is ready. By the way, you can see three tabs here. The first one is Shortcut. You will find all the shortcuts here, then Clipboard. You will see your copied items, and then Categories. However, now let's test if it's working. For example, I'm opening a notepad for better visibility and typing a slash, you can see that a pop-up appears. All your shortcuts will appear here like this. So if you forgot the exact trigger, you don't have to worry about that. You will just type slash and the suggestions will pop. Tap on your trigger and the content will appear just like that. If you type a slash then clip, then the clipboard history will appear. So you can use your clipboard history in this way. Oh, by the way, the copied items will not be synced if you use another keyboard. Now let's go back to the app again and explore a few settings. You can change the theme to light or dark. And after that, if this autocomplete pop-up is enabled, the pop-up will appear after typing the slash shortcut. If you don't want that pop-up behavior, you can disable it. And you can enable the built-in keyboard using this button. Just tap on this button and follow the instructions as your phone settings. So overall, this is a simple tutorial showing how to install and use the InsertKit mobile app. If you have any issues or questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.